DNS traffic is going in, going out. With the current controls before Infoblox, believe me, I have no visibility on my SOC side. My SOC analyst, they have, believe me, no visibility. What is going in, what is going out. I think for that reason, that Infoblox came into my mind that we have to have some visibility on DNS traffic as well. I was getting no visibility while plugging Infoblox to my environment. I think amazing results, amazing results. I think so far we have logged more than 2 million, more than 2 million uh, fake domains that were hitting to us. It's pretty much obvious that DNS protocol is inherently a weak protocol altogether. It was not designed to look for security issues. Having a POC in my environment, that was a shocker and eye-opener for me that we have next-gen firewalls, we have next-gen IPS, IDS as well. We have state-of-the-art endpoint, but they haven't blocked. It's because the malwares are putting the data into the legitimate DNS packet. Anyone can exfiltrate data from my environment and infiltrate data from my environment. And I think that was the business case. That day I asked the team, don't cut off the POC. I'm going with the Infoblox straight away. That was my point.
First of all, if you can see that people don't know about the security of the DNS. They just deploy the Microsoft DNS and they think DNS as a service and they just rely on it. But they actually don't know that the attacks are growing faster day by day. You know that when you come across such attacks, you have to have the forensics involved in it. We invited the Infoblox, and we can say that now we have the 360-degree view of those particular attacks that are on DNS. Infoblox DNS is very straightforward and very and less performance hungry, and it can easily integrate with your environment, and it provides a 360-degree view of the whole security.